Hello there, it's Sam Miller here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a squeeze page from scratch using Ad Creator. Ad Creator is a really essential tool, I think, for any online marketer. It allows you to build squeeze pages and splash pages from scratch in just a few minutes. Website headers, banners, peel away ads, you name it. There's so much that this thing can do for you. It's an essential tool for you. And I want to just show you how easy it is to create things with Ad Creator. And so I'm going to create a squeeze page for you. Before I do that, I want to show you around a little bit the back office here. I'm going to click on Browse Templates and just show you what's all in here. We've got banner ads. We've got multiple different banner ads that you can choose from if you need to create banners. I've got multiple horizontal banner ads. You've got the smaller, the 125s. You've got the bigger horizontals. You've got smaller ones. And then I know there's also the verticals as well. And it really makes it very easy to create banner ads as well as peel away ads. Take a peek at there. I'm not big on peel away ads myself, but you might be. So if you are, this is something that would make it real easy for you. We got some login bonus graphics. These are basically if you want to just do a very simple opt-in page. It's great for that. Splash pages. We've got different designs for splash pages. Some are nice, some I wouldn't use probably, but there's so much to choose from here that you can definitely find what you want without any doubt. They've got some already done for you full designs, which make it very easy. You just click on the part that you want to modify and modify it right there. It's very easy. Okay. You can create buttons in here, squeeze pages, website headers. Today I'm going to show you how to do a squeeze page, and I already picked the squeeze page that I'm going to work with today, and it's going to be this one right here. So all you do is when you find what you want, you just double click on it. Very easy. It's going to open up your page inside the Ad Creator design area. Okay, and this is what it looks like. You've got all these tabs up here at the top. These are what you're going to use to create your design. So I'm going to start with clicking on text. I'm going to add my header to start with. So you just simply click on it, and then you can adjust the size of the box just by dragging it. All right, and then I'm going to change over here. I'm going to change the font style, and for this one I'm going to choose this one, Denny Sketch, I guess. Change the color to black. All right, very easy. I'm going to change the size to 28 right there. I've already got my headline written, so I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to grab it, copy, double click on the box, highlight, and paste. Boom, there you go. Now I like to center these, so I'll click it again and center it. Whoop, gotta highlight the text. Center it. Boom, there you go. Headline's done. Now let's do our subheadline. Same way, you click on text, change the size of your box, change your font. For this one, I'm going to use Arnorg, I guess is what it's called. I'm going to click on the color. I'm going to change this to orange, so it kind of stands out a little bit. It should, well, maybe a little darker. Something like that. That should be fine. All right, so click on OK. And for text size, I'm going to change that to 22. Okay, I'm going to double click on there. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go grab my sub headline. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it. Click outside, and that looks pretty good. Easy as that so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on and add an image. And I'm going to add my son, Charlie. Since I'm saying so easy, a 6-year-old can do it. He happens to be 6 years old, so very easy to maneuver that around the page. And to resize it, you just click the little box there and drag it. And then if you want to tilt it, which I'm going to do, just grab the little circle there and tilt it. Set it where you want. Easy cheesy. Now I'm going to add some more text here. Let's go here, change the size of the box, double click it, highlight it, go grab the text I want that I've already written, paste it in there. Let's change the font to, and this time I'm going to choose a font called Chalk Thick. I'm going to change it to black. Okay. Alright. And I'm going to adjust size there. Charlie Miller, 6 years old. Okay. Easy. Alright. Now I'm also going to tilt that a little bit. Like so. There you go. Done. Okay. Now let's work on our bullet points. So we've clicked on the text button, position that there, drag the box to make it the size that you'd like, double click on it, highlight it. Already got my text written. We'll copy that, paste that into the box. There you go. I'm going to change the font type to Verdana. There it is. Okay. I'm going to change the color to black. And I'll leave the size the way it is. I like this feature. Anything you put in here, you can duplicate simply by clicking on the duplicate button. So it makes it a little bit easier. And then once you duplicate it, you just drag and drop. Double click on it. Highlight it. If you don't already have your stuff typed and you're typing it out, you just go ahead and type in the box. Okay, so we're going to copy, paste. There we go. Click outside. I'm going to make that box just a little smaller. Alright, and I'm going to duplicate that again. Duplicate, drag, so, double click, highlight, grab my next completed text, copy, paste. Alright, that looks good. Whoops, something happened there. I think I just gotta move the text up. There you go. Alright, now I'm going to duplicate that again. Move that down. Double click and highlight. Grab my next set of text. Copy. Paste. Boom. Done. Okay. So there's our bullet points there. Now I'm going to add some actual bullet points. You can do that either by uploading your own bullet point if you'd like, or you can find a bunch of them in clip art and shapes. I happen to find the one that I like in shapes. I'm going to click on that, open up that box, and this is the one that I want. So that's going to populate in the top left of the page. So I just grab it and move it. We'll go ahead and resize it. Very easy. Place it where you want it. I'm going to change the color of that. I'm going to change that to blue. Alright, so there you go. Whoop, that wasn't the right blue that I wanted. So let's try that again. That's better. Okay. Now I'm going to, so I don't have to do that again, I'm just going to duplicate. And I'm going to pull that down to the next bullet point. And then I'm going to duplicate again. And rinse and repeat. Okay, and there you go. Alright, I'm going to move that one just over a tiny bit. And there we go. Alright, looks pretty good so far. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add another shape. This time a circle. It's going to populate up there on the left of your page. Just drag it down where you want it. And resize. Okay. Excuse me, got a little cold here that I'm getting over. Alright, and I'm going to add some text inside there. So do this again. Click on text. Change the size of your box. Double click. I'm going to grab my text that I've already created. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to change my font to Arnorg again. Change the color this time to red. Red, come on, move up. There you go. Alright, kind of maybe a dark red. There you go. About that's good enough. Change the size to, actually I'm going to change it to 28, I think. Alright. There you go. Let's move that in there like so. And there. Okay. Now I'm going to add one more shape here. Let's go ahead and add an arrow. It's going to be up there on the left. Just drag her down. This time it's pointing in the wrong direction, so I need to spin that. Oh, just like so. Very easy. Resize it a little bit. Probably spin it back this way a little bit. Resize it. Reposition it. I'm going to go up here and change the color of it. And again, I'm going to change it to blue. Okay. Blue. Blue. Okay. And whoop, that wasn't quite the blue I wanted. A little darker. Okay. That's better. Alright. So now, let's deal with our autoresponder over here. And first thing I'm going to do is add some text in there. So let's go ahead and move the box over. Change the size of the box like so. Double click, highlight. I'm going to go grab my text that I've already created. Copy and paste. Alright, now I'm going to change the font to, this time I'm going to go with chalk thick again, and I'm going to change the color to white so it stands out. Okay, change the size, let's try 25. That looks pretty good. Okay, and then I'm going to add another shape in there. Again, kind of just showing you, different things you can do here. Alright, so grab the arrow there, and spin that around like so, and then I'm going to change the color of that to orange, like so maybe. Alright, now be a little brighter than that maybe. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, so you got that done. Alright, so now your autoresponder, and that's very easy. You just go up here to your autoresponder, click on the box. Okay, the box is going to open up here, and then I'm going to go over to my Aweber form. I've already created a form for this, so it's all pretty much ready to go. And for this one, I'm going to actually copy the JavaScript. Okay, so just copy the JavaScript. You don't need to do the full raw HTML. And then go back over, paste in your autoresponder, click submit, and that's going to give you this box like this that kind of looks blank. And you got to kind of play with this a little bit here to position it properly. You think that you would position it right here, but typically not the case, because your form is going to be a little bit different size or whatever. So what I found is kind of positioning it somewhere like this is about right, although I'll have to take a look at it and make sure it's positioned properly. But basically that's it. You have a done squeeze page. Okay, now all you do is hit the save button up at the top right. You can't see it, but it's there. I'm going to choose this as a GIF, a GIF form. Click on Save Banner, and just a second or two. There we go. Now we can take a look at it. First thing we want to do is make sure we got our opt-in form, and yeah, it looked like it placed perfectly. So there you go. You've got yourself a finished squeeze page in under 5 minutes. Looks beautiful. Should convert very easily. You can use these to promote Ad Creator. You can use these to promote any other product or service out there. If you want, you can also use Ad Creator to make money creating these types of squeeze pages for your clients. There are a number of different ways to make money with this. It's an essential tool if you're doing anything online. You need to be able to create squeeze pages quickly, easily, and very affordably, and Ad Creator definitely does that. So if you like this, just go ahead and enter your information on the right on the side of the screen there, and you can start your free trial today. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have a great day.